Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to extract hidden channel keywords and SEO tags from any YouTube channel. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube channel keywords extractor tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, as you can see, there is an input field labeled YouTube channel URL. You can paste a full channel link, channel ID, or even a plain username here. Now, go to YouTube and find the channel you want to analyze, whether it's a top creator in your niche or a direct competitor. Copy their channel URL or handle. Come back to the tool and paste it directly into the input box. Then click on the red Extract All Keywords button. The tool will instantly process the link and generate your extraction results. It displays a clean information card showing the channel's profile picture, channel name, handle, and the total number of keywords found. If you scroll down to the Visual Tags section, you'll see every hidden SEO tag used by that channel arranged neatly into individual badges. Right below that, in the comma-separated list section, all the extracted keywords are formatted together in a clean text box. To grab the entire list for your own channel settings or SEO research, simply click the Copy Keywords button to copy them instantly to your clipboard.